Keeping a sharp blade on your machine is critical to producing a great product and reducing wear and tear on your machine's motor. This video covers all the steps for changing the blade on the Hatsuyuki 500E and 600A machines. We recommend changing the blade every 2,000 servings. Always make sure your machine is unplugged when changing the blade. First, raise the ice block holder all the way and lock the main shaft by turning the lock knob at the front of the head cover clockwise to the locked position. This will prevent the main shaft from falling. Open and remove the front cover of the ice block chamber. Remove the wing bolts on the underside of the shaving plate that are fastening the shaving plate in place. Raise the shaving plate and remove it. Turn the blade adjustment knob counterclockwise until it stops. Loosen the blade fastening screws and remove the blade. Set a new blade in between the blade holder and the blade fitting plate and fasten them with the two screws. Be sure to confirm that the edge of the blade and the shaving plate are parallel with each other. Place the shaving plate back in place and secure it in place with the wing bolts. Plug in the machine. Once installed, check to make sure that your blade is even with the shaving plate and that one side is not higher or lower than the other. Also confirm that the blade is lower than the shaving plate when it's in the lowered position. Instructions for changing the blade are also located on a sticker on the side of the machine. You can refer to this with any questions you have. For more information, please watch more videos on iceshavers.com or on our iceshavers.com YouTube channel.